Okay, the chapter which we are going to take today is fourth, arrangement of objects. Now you can look at the first picture. हमें 4 different colored balls दी हुई हैं. Now if I will ask you कि you have to make a combination of these 4 balls. These are the 4 combinations that you can make out of these 4 balls. But just think, if I tell you the condition that the positioning of the balls is not important, means if pink and red का एक combination बन गया है, so it will be same as red and pink. Only both the color needs to be together. So you can see the repeated combinations have been subsequently cut out. यहाँ पे ब्लू और पिंक का कॉम्बिनेशन क्योंकि ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे ये आ चुका है, इसलिए ये यहाँ पे एलिमिनेट हो गया है. सिमिलरली इफ यू लुक एट द थर्ड अरेंजमेंट, 2 of the combinations have already been taken up here, and lastly if you will see, almost no possible combination is available. This is one thing, but this is the scenario when positioning of the ball is not important. Green चाहे ऊपर हो या चाहे नीचे हो, it's one and the same. Now let's take some other example. If you'll read here, they have given you a combination of 4 books from a set of 10 books. So this example is very easy, you can read yourself. But the second example which is important is about your computer password. When you start your computer or mobile, for that reason you need to give the password. Now in password, the sequence, or we can say the position of characters is very important. Let's suppose my password is 1234. So it will not be same as 2341 or 3241 or any possible combination for that matter. So there are 2 different conditions. In first condition, the positioning is not important. In second condition, the positioning is important. Now if you'll go look here, so you'll see there is a boy Madhur. He has been given 3 activities, that is swimming, basketball and volleyball, and he has to choose any 2 activities. उसको कोई भी 2 activity लेनी है. But here they have given clearly that the order in which he will perform them is important. Means the order in which he is going to select the activities will also be taken into consideration. Means here swimming first and volleyball second is a different scenario than volleyball first and swimming second. Similarly here also you will see these 2 activities, then these 2, then these 2, then these 2. So यहाँ पे क्योंकि order important था, इसीलिए आपने देखा कि ज़्यादा number of combinations possible हो पाए. So from all these 3 examples, what we can make out is, if the positioning of the object is not important, तो number of possible combinations कम हो जाते हैं, and if the positioning is important, तो number of combinations हमेशा increase हो जाते हैं. Please do remember this particular relation. I am repeating once again, किसी भी arrangement में अगर positioning object की important नहीं है, then the combination decreases, whereas the examples or the scenarios in which the positioning will be important, then the possible number of combinations increases. So based on that, please try to important let us practice questions. No need to write them in your notebook. I will be covering them in my next session. Today, after just reading these 2 pages of the chapter, you just have to think about those questions. I will read out the questions as well for you. You have to state whether the order of selection in each of the following is important or not. So the first case is finding the first 3 people in a running race. एक रेस हो रही है, उसमें let's say 10 people are running and you have to take out the first 3. So you just have to think on the scenario कि क्या इस केस में order of selection important होगा या नहीं. Similarly, a second condition is given, handshakes with classmates. I'm so sorry, classmates. So आपकी क्लास में let's suppose एक handshake activity करवाई है मैम ने, तो उसमें every one student need to have a handshake with every other. So in both the scenarios, you just have to think that order of the selection will be important or not. And we'll get back to this question in our next session. So till that time, take care of yourself and do complete your incomplete work and enjoy your holiday as well.